Hello, I'm Peter Pauwels. We are here at ISE 2017 in Amsterdam. I'm strategic marketing for Barco's Pro AV and events. We are showing off today our new F70 platform and the F90 projectors. Both are laser phosphor projectors, but as you can see, the F70 is mounted on a robot. It is a motion platform projector that can handle all of the stresses of a moving platform. Let's see what the show gives. So if you would be looking for more information on these projectors, go to www.barco.com. All of the information can be found on that website. Thank you and have a great show. Bye.